I am Daniel Lucas and welcome to Geography 101. Geography 101 is all about the places that I visited from Europe, Caribbean, North America, South America, Asia, Russia, and a lot more. And today we're gonna talk about Tenerife. Tenerife is the largest and the most populous island of the Canary Islands. It is home to 43% of the total population of the archipelago, with a land area of 2,034 square kilometers and a population 900,078. 100 inhabitants as of January 2022. It is also the most populous island of Spain and Macaronesia. Approximately 5 million tourists visit Tenerife each year. It is the most visited island in the archipelago. It is one of the most important tourist destinations in Spain and the world, hosting one of the world's largest carnivals, the Carnival of Santa Cruz de Tenerife. The capital of the island, Santa Cruz de Tenerife, or Santa Cruz de Tenerife, is also the seat of the island council. The cities of Las Palmas de Gran Canaria are the co-capitals of the autonomous community of the Canary Islands. The two cities are both home to governmental institutions such as of the Office of the Presidency and the ministries. This has been the arrangement since 1927, and the Crown ordered it after the 1833 territorial division of Spain. Until 1927, Santa Cruz de Tenerife was the sole capital of the Canary Islands. Santa Cruz contains the modern Auditorio de Tenerife, the architectural symbol of the Canary Islands. The island is home of the University of La Laguna, founded in 1792 in San Cristobal de la Laguna. It is the oldest university in the Canaries. The city of La Laguna is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is the second most populous city on the island and the third most populous in the archipelago. It was the capital of the Canary Island before Santa Cruz replaced it in 1833. Tenerife is served by two airports, Tenerife North Airport and Tenerife South Airport. Teide National Park, or Teide National Park, located in the center of the island, is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It includes Mount Teide, which is the highest elevation in Spain and the highest elevation among all the islands in the Atlantic Ocean. It is also the third largest volcano in the world when measured from its base, another geographical feature of the island. The Macizo de Anaga has been designated as a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve since 2015. Tenerife also has the largest number of endemic species in Europe. Tenerife, the largest and the most populous island of the Canary Islands, is highly recommended to visit. Do you like it? Share it, and definitely 10 plus. Morning, people. Thank you for listening, and see you soon.